Long before people found ways of writing music down, they sang and played instruments by ear, that is, by listening and learning it to play from memory. There's nothing wrong in doing that, but before too long, people find that they're unable to carry lots of music in their heads, and they need some written music to help them. Over 1,000 years ago, in the 11th century, monks singing in monasteries developed some simple signs which, when written down, would remind them of what to sing. Not having to memorize music helped new music to spread far and wide, as it could be written down for others to perform. Writing music down has developed over the years into something that we now recognise as modern music. The stave or staff is made up of 5 lines, and they're counted from the bottom to the top, as you can see here. Also important are the gaps between those lines, and they're also counted from the bottom to the top. We would expect to see a clef, and there's a treble clef there, and an end bar, a key signature, a time signature, bar lines, notes, and other information that tells us when and how to play the music. Sometimes we need to play notes outside of the stave. We add ledger lines to accommodate those notes. So that's the stave. In future videos, we're going to cover things like the clefs, bar lines, key signatures, time signatures, notes, and ledger lines. So do look out for those videos. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell buttons below to receive notifications of future videos. And do write in the comments if there's anything specific you'd like us to cover in future videos.